Assalamu alaikum students. Dear students, I am going to give you some instructions about creative writing paragraph which I have given you in your summer vacation work. Dear students, you have to listen all these instructions carefully, and after listening these instructions you will be able to write your paragraph. Dear student, your first topic is about visit to a zoo. In order to write this paragraph, you can start from here. For example, the last Sunday, yesterday, you can start your paragraph from yesterday, last Sunday, the day before yesterday. You can use these types of adverb with to start this paragraph. Yesterday it was Sunday and whole family was sitting in the lounge and having a we were having a family time. We were enjoying a TV drama. Whole family was very happy, and my father was my father was at home because it was his off from his office. Mother was also in good mood, and we were enjoying. Then my father inquired about my holiday homework, and I told him that I'm given a paragraph about zoo. Then he said, why don't you visit to a zoo in order to write this paragraph in a perfect way? So I got happy, and I also wanted this. So the whole family was ready to visit a zoo. We don't have a proper vehicle with us, a proper transport to go somewhere. So my father borrowed his elder brother's, my uncle's car for one day. So we decided to go visit to a zoo by that car, and that was a very beautiful, shiny, and comfortable car. And we were very happy. I was also very happy that I am going to visit a zoo in order to complete my school task. So we started to get ready about started preparation about the for the for our trip. My mother went to kitchen and she started to she started to make the picnic basket, and she made some she made some fries and kebabs for the picnic. My father and I went out and we bought to buy some snacks and drinks for the trip. After 1 hour all the preparation was completed, and we our whole family was ready, and we were very excited to I was very excited, and we were very दोनों आप लगा सकते हैं very excited to explore the zoo, because it was my first time that I was going to visit the zoo with my family. So the whole family got in the car happily, and as the zoo is not far away from our house, so it took 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. When we reached there, there was a big crowd at the entrance because people were buying tickets over there, and the cost of each ticket was 300 rupees. We were sitting in the car, and our father went and he bought tickets for us, and after getting the tickets we got in. And I was surprised to see that the zoo was totally changed, and it was groomed also. It was very neat and clean, and there was a decent crowd over there. So we decided to explore the whole zoo, and we first of all I wanted to watch the lion. Then I went to snake's house. We saw different animal, birds, and information about got information about different animals, their species, and etc. After visiting the zoo, there was also aquarium over there, and there were very beautiful fish in that aquarium, and I took my photographs with different animals. And the most exciting part of the zoo was the monkey area. The monkeys were very naughty, and they were climbing up on the climbing and jumping, and children were feeding them with grains, fruits, and etc. many children were taking interest in the monkeys, because monkeys were very most naughtiest animal in the zoo. And I was surprised to see the giraffe, because giraffe had a very long neck and long neck and legs, and it was very interesting. It was looking very interesting. Overall, it was very nice trip. And after exploring the zoo, I was feeling hungry, so we decided to have our lunch. Our mother spread the sheet on the ground, and then she opened the picnic basket, and we had our lunch. After having our lunch, we went to ground and played cricket. Now it was time to go back, but overall it was very fantastic trip, and I enjoyed very much. And now I had a lot of material stuff to write in my paragraph. Okay, and the next topic is about Labor Day. So you can start from here. That I think what was date, April, 21st May. April was a Labor Day. So in one fine morning, when our teacher came to our class, she gave an announcement that tomorrow we are going to hold an activity about child labor. So she gave us some briefing about that what material which we need to complete this activity. So she gave us some instructions, and she gave us a list of material which we need to complete this activity. And next day, when we came to our school, she gathered us in assembly area. She gathered us in assembly area. And our activities was about to start, and we were very excited to start our activity. And activity was to make posters against child labor, and we were asked to write slogans about child labor. And our teacher also asked us to learn some slogans in order to make our activity. Then our teacher gave us we gathered in the assembly area, and then we spread our sheets. And when our sitting arrangement was completed, she started to distribute charts among the students. She gave one chart to four. She divided the one chart into four parts, and give a piece of chart to each student, and different colors of chart. And meanwhile, she was giving the instructions how to create how can we create a posters of that. A lot of many teachers, students were drawing the poster. The students who were good at the drawing, they were drawing their posters by themselves. But the students who thought that they cannot drawing properly, and they cut the pictures and pasted on the chart in order to make their posters. Overall, it was a fun activity, and now we were busy in our activity. Our teacher was giving us instructions about that, and we were completing our task. Meanwhile, she was making our video and asking some questions about this activity, whether we were enjoying the activity or not, and what is the purpose of this activity. And she told us that the purpose of this activity is to raise information, awareness against child labor, that we should not send the innocent cute schools to work, or factories to work. We should send them to school. The education is the basic right of every child. It was the purpose of this activity to raise awareness among us. Okay, then our teacher was making our video, and she was also asking questions, and then we told slogan to her, and when our posters were completed, she took our pictures and then immersed them into a video. Then she sent the our video in our study group, and we were very happy to see ourselves in video, and it was a fun activity, and we enjoyed very much, and we are very happy that we are doing this type of activities in our school, and because this type of activities must be held, and these are very important. um, Allah Hafiz beta, this is enough for you. You can use your own ideas, your own creations, and your own experience. If you but I have given you a general idea in order to create a paragraph. And I know very well that all of my students are very creative, and definitely they will make me pleased. I will be very pleased after watching, when I will get your homework, and I will see your paragraph. Definitely I will be very happy, because I have full confidence on you, inshallah. Okay beta, Allah Hafiz, take care.